Hello viewers, welcome to Bhadra Academy. Once again we are here with another video of CUET undergraduate program, where today we are going to discuss about permanent and electromagnets. So what is the difference between permanent magnets and electromagnets? Also you can see our phone number where you can contact us about the CUET undergraduate program courses, the fee structure and other details. So let's begin with the topic of permanent and electromagnets. So as we have seen already, most of us, that what is a permanent magnet? It is basically a bar magnet where we can see that the magnetic poles, right, the small minute electromagnetic poles, magnetic poles, they are in random orientation, but in a magnet this orientation is uniform, right? And then we can see that together collectively these small magnetic dipoles, they create a larger magnet with the north pole and the south pole. And you can see that from the north pole the magnetic lines of force, they are exiting, and in the south pole they are entering, right? So therefore this is how a magnet is working. So here also we can see that permanent magnets are the magnets that have the ability to keep their magnetism and magnetic characteristics for a longer period of time. And permanent magnets are made up of strong magnetic materials, that is hard magnetic materials. Generally they are known as bar magnets, and they are excellent example of a permanent magnet, right? And here permanent magnets are also they don't lose their magnetic field even if this is removed from any other circuit or any other applications, right? On the other hand, if we see, we can see that electromagnets, here electromagnet is made up of a coil that is wound around a iron bar or a nail. Here is the example of a nail, and when you apply electricity to this coil, then it is energized by electricity, and because of this electricity current, the magnetic lines of force are produced, right? So therefore this becomes a magnet, and because of this magnetic field is there. So electromagnet is basically a temporary magnet, that is where the magnetic field is formed when the electric current is passed through them. These magnets are made up of coiling a wire around a iron core. That's what it is saying here, right? And when an electric current is passed through it, the iron core behaves like a magnet, but when the current is turned off, it loses the magnetic properties. Electromagnets are widely used in various devices like motors, electric bells, solenoids, and etc. So most of the electric items, right, where some movement is related, so this electromagnet is used as a temporary magnet. So the force of the magnetic fields also can be changed here, and because of which what will happen, that the magnetic field can be increased or decreased. Okay, so by this I hope that you have understood the topic of today's electromagnet and permanent magnet. Such kind of topics will bring you more and more. Thank you so much.